What's up, guys? Just want to go over a few different levels that we're taking a look at here. Looking at ARM stock. You guys know I've been day trading this for a little bit this week. It is breaking this 208 level right now. So this is something I want to watch for the downside. It's breaking 208. When you zoom in on the 1 day, we have a low right now of 206.64. So I'm going to keep an eye on this at the open. I want to see what happens there. And I'm hoping we get a move all the way down to $200 per share, preferably 199, 198. That would be interesting to scalp. So I'm watching ARM stock for that as well. I want to bring up BBAI stock as well. BBAI is holding on to this trend line, and if it does break this trend line, we're going to start to head lower and break $4. Now remember, you still have $4.50 as your overhead resistance on BBAI. Next, I just want to bring up PLTR as well. PLTR is looking a little weak. It was in this trend, like this bear flag that we've been discussing. We are predicting that this is going to go down. I know Jay Young is on board with this as well. We've been thinking about how this stock is basically consolidating in this zone and then sell off. So let's watch that. Let's see if we break lows of 131 today. If it doesn't, the trade's invalid. It's all good. Microsoft, I am watching as well. When I look at Microsoft, we are finally breaking this $412 per share. This is a nice steep sell-off. Will we get that pop at the open? That's what I'm kind of curious about. We'll have to be patient and see. Looking on the 1 month chart, if you zoom in all the way basically to the beginning of May, we're starting to sell off here at 410. Will we get that move to 407? 407 has been a nice benchmark support area, and it kind of goes with our thesis that we are trading between 407 and up to 430 and just trading in this zone until a decision has been made. Those are some of the stocks that I am keeping an eye on. And I just want to give a personal congrats to Limos for look at these gains. MU stock, $800 per share. Beast. I remember when he called this out at around $150 per share. And that is why the WAP is so valuable. You have members that have different stocks calling these out, and he is up very good on this. So congrats to you, man.